Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting the phone and PC talking, open developer options, and enable USB debugging if you can access the screen. Once done, install Android SDK platform tools on your computer and confirm with a DB devices that the phone appears. If the screen is locked but USB debugging was previously enabled, proceed. Otherwise, you'll need vendor tools or recovery methods. Make sure you know the device model and have administrative rights on the PC, because commands will modify system files. You open a command prompt and run a DB shell to get a shell on the device, then navigate to /data/system where lock settings live. Next, you execute commands to remove or rename lock settings. DB and associated key files, for example, move lock settings. DB to lock settings, DB. Back so the system recreates it. Once you complete the file changes, sync and exit the shell, then reboot the phone. This removes the lock record on many devices, but do not delete other system files. You finalize by booting the device and setting a new PIN or pattern in settings. Confirm your data and restore any backups. If a DB was not available, you must use the OEM recovery tools or perform a factory reset as a fallback. Those will erase data. If the phone enters a boot loop or shows errors, immediately reconnect via a DB or a custom recovery like TWRP and restore the renamed files or a system backup. One key troubleshooting tip: if things go wrong,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.